Hey guys, wanted to give you a little look into the Anso knives everyday world. What's going on in the shop on just a regular day where I didn't clean up before I started shooting this video. Let's start with my main assembly desk here, working on a bolstered 67. I'm sure somebody will look at this video and say, hey, that's my knife. Cool. I have all my various hand tools right at hand. A bunch of folders in various state of completion. Finished folder, another 67. I have my very complicated order system. This is the next couple of weeks of work lined up right there. Sketch of a non-knife project I'm working on. Various stuff on the walls to keep me inspired. Some hand tools. My trusty lathe. All my drill presses. My decal mill. Moving into the grinder room. Can't have too many grinders, can you? Huh? This is my main grinder, currently set up to fit some locks on my frame locks. Usually this is where I do my hollow grinding. A couple of dedicated grinders over here, set up for flat and hollow grinding. But I use these to do various dedicated chores on the folders. My main horizontal grinder, this is where I do a lot of work, including my textbook texture. I couldn't make knives without this, I think. This is really one of my most important machines in the shop. I have this other horizontal grinder set up with a big ass wheel for doing switches and stuff like that. This grinder, I have my bandsaw, my flat grinding surface grinder, heat treat oven set up for doing shadow boxing, bead blast cabinet and a bunch of old belts. Taking a quick look in the room next to. Don't really use this room much right now, but I intend to start using it more. This is my Bridgeport, still not running, but I plan on setting this up to do some specific lock fitting operations. I have a really old oak countertop here that I saved for the furniture project I'll show you the sketch for. My copy mill, decal copy mill over there. Soon moving out to another shop, making some room for me. Getting back into the grinder room, I'll move you through here into a new room I'm working on. It's really the staircase to my new shop, which is up here with the CNC, but I'm working on making a room for my stone washing machine. I'll move my bead blast cabinet in here as well. Have some other stuff here soon. Quick look over really large room I have here in my house. This used to be an old dairy factory, so I have plenty of space. This is where I do all non-knife related projects down here. Moving into my CNC shop slash studio. Built this room specifically for my CNC. It's been sitting here for a few months now and I've just started learning how to use it. I haven't made any knife parts on it yet, but will do soon. Small workbench, mainly for setting up the tools for the CNC, stuff like that. storage for the tools, and if I turn around you'll see what will become my main design studio. It's well on its way. Big ass motivational poster here. This is where I'll do most of my design work on the computer for the CNC. Looking out the window, you'll see it, another motivational look here. My Land Rover Defender, gotta love that car. A little view over the fields in the evening. I have the sunset right here, really nice. So I'll just gave you a quick tour of the Anso shop on a regular day, and I hope you enjoyed it.